Hi guys, so finally got settled into the hotel and I just wanted to show you guys our room real quick. It is pretty nice, so let's take a look. So this is this is the front door, of course, and then this is a bathroom. Your toilet's right there, and the sink and the shower. Well, look at that shower head. Yup. So yeah. Oh, and this is a magnifying mirror. That's cool. I don't know why somebody would need that though. That's weird. Yeah. Let's see, what does it come with? A comb. That's cool. And then you go out here and there's a safe. And then a random bench, and then this is the bed. And
hey, how are you playing rolling?
The balcony, and this is outside. I'm not gonna open the door because it's really humid out there, like bad. Okay guys, so we just got back to our hotel room. I didn't take a shower because it's really humid outside and I'm gonna get gross again. So I decided, well, we just got back from the pool too, so I decided I'm gonna take a shower when we get back from dinner. So I just put my outfit on from dinner, and I'm not putting makeup on either because, like I said, it's really humid and gross outside. So your makeup literally like melts off. Like I've tried setting spray, nothing worked. So I already got my outfit on. I'm just wearing this kimono that I got from Ross, or I think it was like TJ Maxx or something. And it's super cute, I love it. And then I'm wearing this white tank top I got from Walmart, and some jean shorts and some gray flip-flops that matches this. I'm super excited. But Josh is still at the pool. Maddie's got her outfit on, which it's just like a dress. There she is. She's like being really bratty right now, but she's fine again for now. I gotta put her hair up. But this is day 2. Honestly, like I was kind of like feeling homesick earlier, but I feel better now. So yeah, I can't wait to go to dinner because I'm freaking starving. And I wasn't supposed to wet my... Hold on. It's Josh. Oh shit.
So where are we going?
To dinner.
You got my sandals, my shirt?
Yes, I do. Well, it's because I didn't want to like leave it there and someone take it. Okay guys, we are gonna go grab some dinner. I'm just wearing this. It's actually a nightgown, but you can wear it as a dress. So I'm wearing this dress, and it's from Target. I got it for like on clearance for $5. So I'm wearing this. I feel like it like makes me look pregnant or something because it like pops out right here, but I'm not. I'm really sunburned and tired. Yeah, so we're gonna go and head out. You ready, Mike?
Can I get you red? Are you cowboy?
Okay. Are you ready?
Been ready, waiting on you.
Okay. So he's been ready and waiting on me. Squeaking so bad earlier, it was like horrible. So humid. Smells like poop.
Baby.
Oh, baby. Yeah. Cuties first. This elevator is so tiny. I'm so nice. Josh too. He's a little lobster. I'm surprised it's like not fogging up the camera because of how humid it is.
Oh yeah.
Like, looks the same. Alright guys, it's day 4 and we're going to be going to the pool right now. I'm just wearing my bathing suit with my shorts that are from Hollister. Stop! She's just being a brat. But we're going to go grab something to eat and then go inside the pool. And I'm super excited because I'm starving. So yeah, just going to I have my contacts in right now. But my face is like so red. My nose is pretty red and my forehead. But I'm starting to like get tan a little bit, which is my goal before we leave. But yeah, I kind of miss home still because I'm used to my routine and doing the same thing every day. So that's what I miss. My hair looks so crazy. But yeah, that's what's happening. We get back next Thursday. What's today? Thursday. So in 1 week. Wait, no, we get back next Wednesday. So in 6 days, we'll be back home. And on Thursday, I'm off from work because of 4th of July, and that will be paid. And then Friday, I go into work, and then Saturday, I'm going to work too, and then I'm off Sunday. So after that, then I'll be back to my regular schedule. But yeah, so we're not doing much. There's really not much that we're doing over here besides just like the pool, lunch. The pool, lunch is like what me and Maddie have been doing. So that's why I haven't vlogged too much because there's not much to vlog because I do the same thing every day. So I'll try to get as much footage as I can so you guys can see what we're up to over here. But yeah, overall, it's been an okay experience. Food sucks, which sucks because I just like, right now I'm craving a McDouble because that's how bad the food sucks. So whatever, what can you do? Say hi. I'm gonna take that blanket away from her before we leave because it's so hot and humid outside. She does not need it. Love you. She always wants her blanket. It's so weird.
She wears.
Now I'm gonna spray myself with some tanning oil. This is what I've been using. I use this all the time, like every year for summer, because it truly does work.